Zeus, the king of the gods. He was also known for one thing. He really loved women.
It's my sacred duty to bring great gods into the world.
But Hera was fed up with Zeus's behavior. Zeus didn't seem to care about her feelings at all. Still, he suddenly proposed to her.
Marry me.
No way.
Even though Hera rejected him, Zeus never gave up. He began to think of a clever plan to win her heart. Step 1. Rainfall. Zeus was very clever. He waited until Hera went out for a walk alone, and then he made it rain. Step 2. Transformation time! Zeus transformed himself into a cuckoo. He then flew toward Hera, who was looking for somewhere dry to take shelter from the rain. Step 3. A kind heart. Hera felt sorry for the poor cuckoo, which was soaking wet in the rain.
Oh dear, you're all wet. Are you all right?
Feeling pity, Hera gently held the cuckoo in her arms. At that very moment, with a flash of light, Zeus transformed back into his original form. Zeus asked Hera to marry him again.
I'm not like the other women you have met. I am the goddess of marriage and family. If you truly wish to marry me, I want a grand and beautiful wedding ceremony, and you must honor and respect me as the sacred goddess of marriage. Can you promise that?
Of course.
And so, the two were married. Zeus and Hera became the king and queen of the gods. Together they had many children, including Hephaestus, the god of blacksmiths, Ares, the god of war, Hebe, the goddess of youth, and Aletheia, the goddess of childbirth.